Base camp, this is Chen. We're at the North Grove. Stalks look mature, 3 to 4 years growth. Perfect for fiber. Start sending the crew in.
This grove is ready. Moisture content is optimal for fiber extraction. Mark the whole section.
Stalk down, moving 3 feet right for next cut. Keep the cuts clean, no splits on the fiber sections. Copy that, these stalks are dense today. That's 40 sections from this stalk. Good yield. Swing left 2 feet, hold it, lower slowly, stop, good, release.
Bundle secured, moving to next load.
Cargo secure, moving out. Trucks here, unload at bay 3. Poles on the conveyor, keep it moving.
Convoy lead to base, we're descending the mountain pass now. ETA to fiber plant is 2 hours 30. Roads are clear.
.784, you're within limits. I need your shipping manifest and fiber classification papers. You're cleared. Agricultural fiber transport, Class B. Have a safe haul.
Raw bamboo fiber delivery for Building A, Dock 3. Stay on the marked route, no deviations. Speed limit is 5 mph inside the facility. Understood, Dock 3. Come back, 8 feet, 4 feet, 2 feet, stop! All right, people, we've got 40 tons of raw bamboo to move. Let's get it done in 30 minutes.
Section 3, factory cleaning and fiber extraction. Bundles are unloaded and moved to conveyor lines. At the cleaning station, stalks are washed under high pressure. Finally, the extraction machine separates the fibers.
Pressure holding strong. Bark removal is 98% clean. Crushing ratio looks perfect. Fiber separation is clean. Keep feeding at current rate. VAT 7 is at pH 12.5. Add neutralizer in 40 minutes.
Copy, timer set. Rinse water is neutral, chemical removal complete. This batch is clean.
Frame 32 needs tension adjustment. Yarn's pulling slightly loose.
Tensile strength and moisture absorption both exceeding spec. This bamboo yarn is exceptional quality. Welcome to Section 4. We begin with material selection, ensuring tests like these are paired. Next is design, where we select layer and layer components like lace and foam. In cutting, machines precisely shape it into fibers. The final structure.
Nesting efficiency is 92%, minimal waste. Running next spread.
Perfect cup shape, no warping, edges are crisp. Load next sheet.
Underwire is seated all the way to the end stop, no gaps. These are going to hold their shape perfectly. Beautiful stitch line, keep that consistent. You're running 200 units ahead of target. Hooks are seated clean, no sharp edges, closure is smooth. Running good. Seams are perfect, symmetry is good. This is a quality garment. System caught a seam gap on that one. Rework team will fix it. Pass rate is 98.6%. Both implants are clear, no defects. Proceeding to packaging. Sealing the first one now, and the second, perfectly sealed. Tags are straight, labels are readable. Make sure every size label matches the tag before it goes in the bag. Bags are sealing clean, print is sharp. We're running about 400 units an hour. Excellent, keep it up. Robotic cell is running at 0.6 seconds per placement. That is well above target. Beautiful. Box seal is solid, print is perfect. Batch code confirmed. That is case number 240. We are ahead of the daily target. Keep this pace and we wrap up by 4 o'clock.
Pallet's wrapped. I'll take it to staging.
All right, bringing this pallet to the conveyor, lowering it down now. Pallet is secured, retracting forks. All clear, moving back.
All 40 pallets for order 779 are staged and scanned, ready for truck assignment. Staging is complete on order 779.
That's pallet 30, 10 more to go, keep the pace. Come straight in, you got 2 feet on the left side.
Truck 779 is sealed and manifested. 40 pallets of bamboo collection confirmed. Cleared for departure to distribution. You're all set. Head to the Big Mart on 5th.
Got it, thanks. Big Mart Smart loading dock, made it.
Dispatch Unit 9 on I-95 northbound, 40 miles from the distribution center. Traffic looks clear. On schedule for 7 a.m. delivery window.
Every single morning, this intersection is the tightest spot in the whole city.
Keep coming, you've got plenty of room, easy, stop, perfect. Bamboo collection 40 pallets, women's intimates for the new floor display. Let's move these in before store opening.
Intimates team, bamboo collection is in the stock room, ready for floor pull in 20 minutes.
Bamboo collection looks beautiful under this lighting. The natural color palette really pops. Customers are going to love this.
Perfect.
The fit is perfect and the bamboo fabric is genuinely the softest thing I've ever felt. I'm getting 2. The bamboo collection is our most popular right now. Customers can't believe how comfortable it is.